What up, though? Adrian from Detroit with beingthechangellc.com, bringing you our wealth creation tips. Let's go ahead and get into our series. Build wealth from nothing. The secrets of understanding money revealed. Presented by beingthechangellc.com, Chapter 1, The Missing Piece. We can't put a price on happiness, but if that's what you're after, I've got just the thing. How about $1 trillion? $100 billion? The founder of Amazon, Jeff Bezos, has a net worth of $138 billion. Yes, billion. Well, great job, Jeff. Hey, but what about you? You're probably working at a job right now and that you got from the degree that you studied for at a university. You don't have much in savings. Your living expenses seem ridiculously high. And you feel as though you're not paid enough. Well, you might also have credit card debt that needs taken care of. Or you're still studying for a degree, hoping that your job can bring in some good money. Ha ha, wealth. Financial freedom? What is Tony Robbins talking about? Your guide to financial freedom? Well, hey, have you ever looked at someone wealthy and wondered how they got there? Bill Gates, Mark Zuckerberg, Elon Musk? Or what about Alexandr Wang, 25, especially if they seem young? It can be hard to wrap your head around how they could have saved so much money. And you tell yourself that they must have cheated or been born into a rich family. But the truth is, anyone can become a millionaire if they're willing to work hard and make smart decisions. Now, while it may seem like they got lucky, going and rolling a gamble, but the reality is that they just realized their dreams, dream it, believe it, achieve it, while you're still waiting for yours to come true. They made it happen. So, what are you going to do about it? Are you just going to hang around? It's time to stop making excuses and start taking action towards your own success. Now, you may not become a millionaire or billionaire overnight. This is going to take time. However, you can certainly start moving in the right direction. If you never know failure, you will never know success. That concludes Wealthy Tips Series Chapter 1. Watch Chapter 2 next. Chapter 2, How to Create Wealth in Your Life, the Realization. And for more resources, and if you found this helpful, please visit our website, cccelevate.com. We have more wealth and travel educational resources for you. And subscribe to our blogs, rudyratings.com and beingthechangellc.com. So as you can see, this here's our resource page, and we're here to help elevate you to actually reach the dreams and goals you're looking for. Thank you for the time for chapter 1. See you in chapter 2 and continuing being the change in your community. Thank you.